First question is, who is regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Yes friends, B.R. Ambedkar is regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution. Which fundamental right was removed from 44th Amendment? Right answer is option D, right to property. Yes friends, right to property fundamental right was removed by 44th Amendment in Indian Constitution. How many fundamental rights are given by the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option is 6. Yes friends, 6 fundamental rights are given and guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. Which article allows the President to declare an emergency? Right answer is option C, Article 352. Yes friends, Article 352 allows the President of India to declare an emergency in India country. The Rajya Sabha members in India are elected for a term of. Right answer is option B, 6. Yes friends, the Rajya Sabha members in India are elected for a term of 6 years in India. The Right to Education RTE Act 2009 is associated to which article? Right answer is option D, Article 21A. Yes friends, the Right to Education RTE Act 2009 is associated with Article 21A in Indian Constitution. What is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha as per the Constitution? Right answer is option A, 552. Yes friends, the maximum strength of Lok Sabha as per the Constitution of India is 552. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha in India? Right answer is option C, G.V. Mavalankar. Yes friends, G.V. Mavalankar was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha in independent India. When was the Supreme Court of India established in India? Right answer is option B, in 1915. Yes friends, the Supreme Court of India was established in the year 1950 in India. How many nominated members are there from Rajya Sabha? Right answer is option D, 12. Yes friends, there are 12 nominated members are there from Rajya Sabha in India. Who administers the oath of President of India? Right answer is option A, Chief Justice. Yes friends, Chief Justice of India administers the oath of President of India. The first Constitutional Amendment Act was passed when? Right answer is option C, in 1951. Yes friends, the first Constitutional Amendment Act was passed in the year 1951 in India. The Panchayati Raj system was introduced by which amendment? Right answer is option B, 73rd. Yes friends, the Panchayati Raj system was introduced by 73rd Amendment in the Indian Constitution. How many types of emergencies are mentioned in Indian Constitution? Right answer is option D, 3. Yes friends, there are 3 types of emergencies are mentioned in Indian Constitution. Which amendment is also known as mini constitution? Right answer is option A, 42nd. Yes friends, 42nd Amendment of Indian Constitution is also known as mini constitution in India. The Panchayati Raj system was first implemented in which state? Right answer is option C, in Rajasthan. Yes friends, the Panchayati Raj system was first implemented in Rajasthan state of India. The first no confidence motion in the Lok Sabha was passed when. Right answer is option B in 1963. Yes friends, the first no confidence motion in the Lok Sabha was passed in the year 1963 in India. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India in India? Right answer is option D, President. Yes friends, President of India appoints the Chief Justice of India in India. When was the NHRC, National Human Rights Commission, established? Right answer is option C in 1993. Yes friends, the National Human Rights Commission NHRC was established in the year 1993 in India. Which was the first state formed in India on linguistic basis? Right answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Yes friends, Andhra Pradesh was the first state in India to form on the basis of linguistic basis. When was the first general elections held in India? Right answer is option D, 1951 to 1952. Yes friends, the first general elections was held in India in the year 1951 to 1952. When was the first law commission formed in independent India? Right answer is option A in the year 1955. Yes friends, the first law commission was formed in the year 1955 in independent India. The Right to Information Act RTI was passed in which year? Right answer is option C in 2005. Yes friends, the Right to Information Act RTI was passed in the year 2005 in India. The Supreme Court of India has how many judges including Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option B, 34. Yes friends, there are 34 judges including CJI, Chief Justice of India, are there in Supreme Court of India. The Union List originally contains how many subjects or matters? Right answer is option D, 97. Yes friends, the Union List originally contains 97 subjects, but currently it has been 100 subjects in India. This question is as a test that which of them is the most accountable form of government. Your options are option A, dictatorship, option B, military, option C, democratic, and option D, monarch. You have 5 seconds to think the answer of this question. Now time starts now. So please try to give your answer of this question in this video comment box, and all please support and share this video to your friends and relatives. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video.